Do you want to start an online business but have no skills and knowledge? Or are you worried about the startup cost and inventory risk? Or are you worried about you get fired from a full-time job due to a time-consuming side business? What if I tell you, we can sell to customers worldwide without having any inventories? If those are the things that matters you worry about, you are at the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce a business models that you can start a business with minimum risk, low startup costs, eventually escape from the rat race. So let's get started.
The business model we are talking about is dropshipping. So, what is dropshipping and how it works? Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment method where instead of a store stocks products, it purchases the products from a third-party suppliers. The products are then shipped directly to the consumer from the supplier. With dropshipping, store owners can sell products without actually creating or having the inventory of the products themselves. This way, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Sounds familiar? Maybe not. But 33% of online stores use dropshipping as fulfillment method. The seller doesn't have to order inventory or fulfill the orders. Instead, the third-party suppliers handle the product themselves. So let's take a minute to have a look how it works.
So here we have the dropshipping model. There's the customer on the left, your store in the middle, and the supplier on the right. Let's say we are selling this ultrasonic facial cleaner at our store. The customer came to our store and spent 100 ringgit, which is the price of the facial cleaner at our store. Then we contact the supplier and ask them to ship the product directly to the customer. Let's say we pay 50 ringgit to the supplier. We are going to keep this extra 50 ringgit as profit. In short, we sell, customer buy, and supplier ship.
Hey everyone, my name is Clement and I'll be here to talk about the pros and cons of dropshipping. I'll start with the pros first. First of all, anyone who has heard of dropshipping will be interested in it. This is because it only involves low financial costs and you don't have to pay any rent or employees as compared to traditional retail businesses. Aside from that, you can even get sales when you are sleeping. You can run your ads at any time of the day, unlike retail businesses which only operates from 9 AM to 9 PM. This will give you more time to do the things that you enjoy, such as drinking a cup of coffee or even spending it with your loved ones. Thirdly, with an online store, you can expand your target audience globally. This will help you to broaden up your network and to build your brand faster, increasing sales exponentially. Fourth, scaling can be a difficult process for retail businesses as it requires a greater cost and higher risk, ranging from renovation to sourcing out for more suppliers. Given the great opportunity of social media marketing, you can upskill your online businesses many times with it. Lastly, customers would like to feel attracted when they browse through your store. With an online store, you can customize it however you like to grab their attention and give them the best shopping experience ever. So now let's move on to the cons of dropshipping. No matter how attractive dropshipping might sound, there are cons to it too. First of all, you will need to be ready to compete with competitors all over the world. This is because you are selling the same product as all of them. With a saturated niche, you will have to pay a higher cost for ads to run and target the right customers. Next, the shipping time for your products will be inconsistent as well. Most of the products you will be sourcing out will be from China. Hence, you will need to find a good supplier to opt out this issue. Following on, you will need to reply to your customer messages constantly if you are into dropshipping. Your sales very much depends on how renowned your brand is when it comes to communicating with customers. This is something often neglected by most dropshippers, affecting their sales and their overall brand loyalty. On the other hand, customers might be reluctant to buy products from your store as they do not have a chance to try your product. This is where copywriting comes into place and it plays a decisive factor for customers to decide if they will want to buy a product from your store or not. Lastly, website crashing is another underrated problem faced by most customers when they are browsing or purchasing from your store. This is why you need to find a good platform for you to sell your product.
If you are wondering whether dropshipping is for you, let me clear all your doubts or any questions you have. First of all, let me be brutally honest with you. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put into a lot of effort in product research, product selection, as well as marketing in order to be successful. You may have these fears. You don't have the time to manage a business. You do not want to underperform during your 9 to 5. You do not know how to run and scale a business. These fears are very common for everyone who wants to start a business. Before you go all in and quit your job, stop and listen to what I'm going to say. Let's start with what is the main appeal of dropshipping. Dropshipping is very flexible and doesn't require a lot of time to manage the business. I started dropshipping during my chemical engineering degree and still managed to create multiple e-commerce businesses that are successful. That is why you don't have to sacrifice your day job in order to become a successful entrepreneur. One of the main concerns that everyone has is that they might underperform during their working hours. Fret not, you can spend only a couple hours a day and still become successful. A lot of entrepreneurs still keep their main job as a steady income so that they can do dropshipping as a side hustle. You just need to do your time management and scheduling properly, stick to it, so you can manage your side job and also your main job easily. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can scale your business easily or keeping the cost down with Facebook ads, influencer marketing, and etc. It doesn't take a business degree or millions in capital, but the dedication in making it work. In the upcoming videos, you will learn how to market your product effectively and take your business to the next level. A well-established business operates like clockwork. You will even feel like you are generating passive income when you learn how to outsource all your work. As long as you are willing to take action, you will be able to build a successful e-commerce businesses.
After watching this video, I hope you guys have a better understanding of what dropshipping is. If you still have any question about dropshipping, feel free to join our free Facebook group. We will provide a cheat sheet and discuss with your like-minded entrepreneurs and inspired by each other and grow together. The link will be listed down below. If you are going to venture your own online business with minimum risk, or you want to turn your traditional business to online business, do remember to contact us and we will help you with it. If you like our contents, do remember to subscribe and turn on the bell buttons. And if you have any questions, do comment below and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at TRIDENT.ecom. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.